Hello there, this is Sean Lawson here, branch manager for Arbutus RV in Port Alberni. I've got a walkthrough tour for you here on the Grand Design Imagine. This is the 2470 BH model. The 2470 replaced the 2400 BH model that Grand Design has had for a number of years now, and they've made quite a few nice changes to it. Mostly you're going to find those changes on the interior, but I'll go around and point out a few things that I like about this particular model, as well as make specific note about the changes. So one of the changes is the new front cap, and the overall graphics package is improved as well. We've got the LED light strip down both sides of the cap, and I think it really looks quite nice. The Imagines all have the drop frame, so you've got a much larger storage space through the front. With the 2470, you've got the two entry points. There's the MORryde steps here on one entry, and then the aluminum tread fold up steps on the other. ABS brakes and balance beads are new, so you've got ABS as well as sway control built in. Really nice outside kitchen, and they're going with a new griddle here on the MORryde slide out. You've got on-demand hot water, so endless hot water means longer showers. There's a ladder to the roof, and that is standard on all of Grand Design's products, as well as there's a backup camera there. So let's pop up inside and have a look. This weighs 6,502 pounds dry, so definitely half-ton towable. Let's just take a look around here. So again, new for the Imagines this year is the solid surface countertops. A big change for the 2470 from the 2400 is this kitchen. A lot more counter space, definitely some more cupboard space. There is a compartment here with some slide out drawers, another drawer there, a big pot drawer, a couple of other cupboards there. We've also got a couple of stools right here at the entryway, which is kind of nice for entertaining. Nice big U-shaped dinette. All the lighting throughout is on these LED light strips on the roof, and each area has their own switch for dimming. So you've got a little up and down here to turn it off and on, and then you can adjust the brightness with that little dial there. The bunks back here, you've got double bunks. There is the bottom one that you can flip up to give you a bunch of extra storage. You've got lights at both levels, plus plugins and USBs. Again, there's your switch with the adjustment for that upper bunk. You've got new lights here above the dinette as well. You've got a 10 cubic foot Furrion 12 volt fridge. That'll run off of 12 volt as well as 110 power. Nice barreled ceiling in here as well, so just gives you a lot more of a large open feel. This does have 50 amp service, so you can put a second air conditioning unit in the bedroom if you like, but you do have the Coleman Mach quiet air conditioner there that's ducted throughout. Let's have a quick peek into the bathroom here. Nice big bathroom, porcelain foot flush toilet. I like that Grand Design puts these little storage areas here for towels and stuff like that next to the shower. Solid surface countertop in the bathroom as well. Here's your control for your hot water. There's a fan up top there, and there's a switch for that fan right here. So there you go. That is the Grand Design 2470 BH. Here, hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Have a great day.